So finally, I'll be using the Nail Reserve nail polish that they sent me. So right now, I just cleaned my nails and it's ready. I don't know which color I'm gonna choose right now, but I want to do I chose like neutral colors, like this one and this, and then I have a gray. Yan, parang gray color.
Did you order it or it's a collaboration?
It's a collaboration. So first, I'm gonna do the base. Okay, so this is the base. And this is the remover. So we don't want the remover because there's nothing to remove right now. So I'm gonna do the base. And I'm gonna try this color today. Kind of like grayish blue. Okay, so alright, I'll come back for my nails. So right now, that's what it looks like. So this is the color that I chose. I'm just trying it out right now. I can always change the color how I like it. So this is what it looks like now from earlier. So that's our nail polish. It's pretty easy to apply, but I still need to dry it. I think I messed up a few nails. I need to clean around it. So yeah, so I like it so far. And if you guys want to try or check out their website, I'll link it in the description box. And I think I'm gonna have a coupon code as well for you guys. So if you want to try it, only the base is just a clear coat before you put the polish. So there you go, guys. So far, I like the color, but I want to try the two other colors as well. So after this, I'm gonna remove it with the remover. And then I'll try the other colors as well and see which one I like the best. So, yun guys, link in the description box. Hello guys! So ngayon magagawa tayo ng salad kasi mayroon kaming parang get together, tas may potluck, nagdadala ka-assign kanda din. So, nagawa ko ng leche flan kagabi. Ito, lalagay lang natin dun sa ating platong medyo maganda. And then, sana magagawa ko nung ginawa ko before na cheesy broccoli and cauliflower. Pero, wala na ako masyadong time. So, ito na lang ang dadahin natin is salad. So, magagawa ko ng salad. Lalagyan natin ng tomatoes from the garden. Yung medyo nahinog na. Yan, yung hinog na dyan, na tomatoes. And then, lagyan din natin ng walnuts and pecans and baka apple. May konting parmesan cheese. Ganun. So, yun yung ating may papaldi kong pecans. Ano pang, inisip ko kung ano pa ilalagay. Okay, ano pa bang nilalagay? Wala akong mix. Mix siya. Maganda mix to. Okay, so, umpisahan na natin, guys. Yung bowl na gagamitin natin. Tapos, kailangan ko pala ng tongs para pang sandok dyan. So, may tongs. Mayroon pa ako isa. Teka. Ito na lang red. Ito na lang yung dadalhin ko. Yan sa party. Okay. So, yan. Ang ating bowl. So, mix na to. Yan. Halu-haluin lang natin. Ba't puro ano? Ba't wala masyado? Puro spinach. Ba't ganun? Basically, puro spinach lang siya na may kaunting... So, salad na lang. Kasi minsan, napapansin ko yung huling nag-umattend kami ng nung last week. Walang nagdala ng salad. Kasi, nag-crave ako ng salad kasi nga marami akong hindi pwedeng kainin. So, basically, ang choices ko lang ay salad. Tsaka, anything na walang gluten, mostly may gluten. Minsan, nangangate rin ako dun sa ibang So, ngayon, grabe, puro spinach. Ito, medyo hindi na. Okay, so, yan yung ating salad. natin ng ating, lagyan natin itong ating walnuts. Okay, walnuts. Diba? Itaktak na natin to lahat para masaya ang buhay. So, may walnuts. And then, maghihiwa ako ng kamatis and ampalaya. Huwag natin lalagyan ng ampalaya. Okay. So, yan na yung itsura. Ganyan lang kadali. Hindi ko na rin lalagyan ng yung sauce. Hindi na rin. Basta plain lang siya. Yan. Tapos kasi marami doon na creamy na mga sauce. So, okay na yan. Bahala na. Sila na bahala. Basta ganyan lang. Tapos siguro lagyan ko lang ng olive oil. So, okay guys. So, maghihiwa muna tayo nitong apple. Hiwa tayo. Hugasan muna natin. I know guys, maganda ang balat ng mansanas. Pero this time, dahil salad siya, magiging tough siya eh. So, tatanggalin ko siya ng balat. Siguro mag-iwan ako ng alternate yung pag... Okay. Ayan. Alright, and then, kutsilyo. Nasaan yung ating kutsilyo? Paborito ko tong kutsilyo na to. Pag maninipis. Pag maliliit lang hihiwain kasi madali siyang hiwain. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I gave it to you last night. You showed it to me. It's still there. Well, where did you put it? I didn't touch it, baby. Don't make it. Okay. Alright, so ngayon, ilagay na natin yung ating pag naubos, marami akong salad pag-uwi. Salad. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano pa ilalagay ko. Ito na, ma'am. Okay. So, ito naman yung sunod nating ilalagay. Alright. Ayun kasi nang may buto. So, tanggalin natin ang buto. Hi guys, clean na. Gawin natin ng photo. Okay guys, so yun. Gawin natin dito. So yun na guys, yung ating salad. It's ito na yung salad. Meron yung pecans, walnuts, grapes, and shredded na cauliflower and tomatoes sa bottom. And apple, slices of apple. And then may parmesan sa ibabaw. And then yan, tatakta ko na yung ating ano pa nga isa pa? Flan. So ito na guys yung flan. Ayan, matigas na. Kanina medyo soft siya. So yan. Okay guys, tataktak lang natin. Sige, make room. Kaninang umaga ko to ginawa. Since, late naman yung ating... Okay, I need, pala. Dapat na wala yung matigas kong plastic. Ano ko nun eh. So, maya-maya na. Ito yung flan natin. Hawak ko na lang dahil baka tumaob pa. Baka tumaob pa yun ang halangan dala. Tsaka yung gulay, yung salad. Ready na kami. It's not too cold, bebe, ha?
No.
Ha?
No.
Not real cold. Nag-double. So, galing lang namin. Galing kami dun sa ano. Ito yung tirang leche flan dun sa party. Tapos yung salad. Konti na lang din yung natira. Tapos guys, yung party dun ginanap sa parang park. And meron puno ng persimmons. Ito persimmons, ready lang siya pag nahulog na sa lupa. So ngayon, anuhin ko lang siya. Linisin ko pero bukas na. Dahil inaantok na pag napagod kami. So bukas ko na siya linisin ng umaga. And then, baka makapaggawa ako ng something sa kanya. Siguro cookies or bread or something, cake or something. Ayan, so matutulog na kami. Mga bata. Gabi na. Kung kailang gabi na saka maglalaro. So yan, tutulog na kami guys. Nagawa ako ng broccoli and ano to? Broccoli cauliflower casserole. May cheese and may green onion sa ibabaw. So, ang ating banana bread. Ayan. Lagi akong may banana bread kasi may luma na akong banana. So, yan ang niluto ko today.